Hey y'all, Avid Paulie here, and it is like 4 o'clock in the morning. I can't sleep, I'm a little bit hungry, and I was just thinking, I was actually debating. It's like, you know what, I'm hungry, I want some sausage and egg and cheese and things like that, but I don't feel like going out. So you know what, I am going to cook me up some eggs. Not just any eggs, Waffle House style eggs.
You're checking out Avid Paulie.
Now, I was in Waffle House a couple of weeks ago, and you know what, I was asking the guy that was cooking. I was like, man, how does these taste so good? What is it about it? Like, y'all put something special in it? And he was like, nah, man, it's basically a lot of, you know, oil and butter substitute that we put in it. And he was just telling me exactly how to do it, how to cook it, because, you know, they cook it on that big grill. You know, we only got skillets, so he was just telling me exactly how to do it. So I am going to experiment and do it right now. So basically we have the usual suspects. You know, we have some oil. This right here is my butter substitute. You know, olive oil for the oh shit. Okay, I'm not even gonna edit that. Shite happens. Okay, pepper, a little bit of salt, and the grade 8 eggs. Grade 8 eggs. Okay. Now, oh yeah, I forgot. And some American cheese. Velveeta cheese at that. Alright, so basically, what he told me to do was heat up the pan with some oil. I already done that. The you know, it's being cooked at like half temperature, like 50% heat. And what I'm going to do is basically we're going to start with, I'm probably just going to cook just 3 eggs because it's just me, you know what I mean? All right. So, this is the egg. Okay. 1, 2. And 3. Okay. So, and we whisk it. Like so. Now he said when you whisk it, make sure that it's nothing but yellow. We don't want to have any white in it. So, you know, you just basically do it like that. And he said don't put any salt or pepper in it while it's still basically raw. Basically, you can add the salt and pepper when the egg is halfway done. Because he said something about the salt, like drying it up or something like that. Okay, get the butter. So I'm just going to put, I think he said like a tablespoon of them in there. Yeah, I know it looks like it's frying up. running really hot, but that's only at half the heat. He said it definitely has to be really hot when you put it in. Okay, so now we put it in. And I know that might seem like it's a lot of oil and a lot of butter, but this is what he told me what they do. So let's just see how that comes out. Now, as you see, it's more yellow on the end, and it's cooking more rapidly on the edges. What he said is basically pull the edges in, like so. You see, frying pretty quickly. He said don't scramble the egg. You don't want to do that. You basically want to pull in the wet parts more in the middle, you know, and you do light strokes, like you're stroking your lady's hair, just very evenly and gently. So as you see, it's cooking. So evenly and nicely. Okay, now, actually, hold on. Let me get the cheese ready. I'm just gonna use a couple slices of cheese. Okay, now since it's basically halfway cooked, let me stroke it a little bit more. Okay. And I'm going to add a little bit, not so much, just a little bit of salt and a dash pepper. I'm going to add the cheese. Just put it on right there. You don't need much cheese, just basically a couple of slices. And then what I'm going to do is fold it over like so. Let that simmer. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see that. Yeah, that looks almost about right. I might have cooked a little bit too much, but it still looks good, I'm not gonna lie. You know, I hate the fact that it's like, okay, yeah, you gotta put a lot of butter, you gotta put some oil in there, but what they claim it is, because I'm pretty sure when you go there that those eggs are really oily. You know what, this looks like an omelet. I ain't gonna front. But I mean, I can just scramble it up. And I might even just change this from scrambled eggs to omelet, but I just basically just said eggs. And you know what, I'm gonna claim it better than Waffle House. Okay. I think it's done to my liking. Got it? That right there That looks pretty good. I'm not gonna front. But let's taste it. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay, so I want y'all to see this. Look at the eggs just pouring out of the side. Yeah, that's a heart attack waiting to happen, but come on, man, you can't tell me this doesn't look good. A little bit, you know, a little bit browning over here, but this is just from the butter. Trust me, I know that tastes good. So if you're like me, a struggle, I'm not gonna call myself a chef, we all know that, but I'm just saying, this is my struggle kitchen skills. Can't have scrambled egg, well, not scrambled eggs, but eggs with cheese without ketchup. And yeah, I found these packets of ketchup in the cupboard, and I'm gonna use these biatches. So, just a little bit. Let's try this out. Oh yeah. Whoa. This is good. This is good. See the steam rolling off of that? Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all probably can't see the steam. Yeah, look at that. You can see the steam. It's just good. Get the cheesy cheese. So there you have it. Make yourself some cheesy cheese omelet, eggs with some ketchup packets. And this right here will fill you up, for real. And it takes, well, I don't know, 5 minutes or something like that, I don't know. But I like the way it came out. It tastes good. Why go out when you can make it at home? That's the point of my videos. Start cooking more at home. It's cheaper. Some people say, oh, you got all those ingredients, but it's not a one-time deal. You're gonna use those ingredients for the next few weeks, probably. You know, you buy a big thing of oil, that'll last you a while. You can make a few meals with that. So it's not like a one-time deal. Some people say, oh, just go out there, you know, why spend $100 worth of supplies to make something I could just go, you know, spend $5. If you add it all up, you're paying a whole lot more. And you don't have, and mind you, I'm telling you, you don't have to leave the comfort of your home. Start making food at home. That's why fast food restaurants appeared, because they claim to make old-fashioned hamburgers and things like that and home-cooked meals on the go. That's imitating home-cooked meals. Look, single men, single women, make your meals at home. I know it's depressing sometimes too to eat by yourself, but gotta eat. This is an everyday activity, every day. So learn how to cook your way, your style, the way that you like it. And some people that don't know how to do it, that's why they watch videos like this. Whether, you know, it's struggle, if I get it right, I get it wrong, but it doesn't matter. It's still edible, it's still good, I like it. And I'm showing it to you. All right, so thanks for watching. Avid Paulie, I'm out.